If you want to enable dark mode on Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go ahead and click the three bars at the top left. Go ahead and click the settings and then click the appearance right here. And you get to see the dark theme, dim or dark, or you can see right here the color mode, light or dark. Okay, and or you can select depending on your system. Another way of doing it, if that option isn't available to you, go back to your screen and then go ahead to your settings, right? And then scroll a little bit down to the display and brightness. Click on it, and basically you can select the appearance to be dark or light. And that means that every app will be forced to be in the system's brightness. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.